How to fix Epic Games launcher setup wizard ended prematurely. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such issue or problem regarding your launcher setup wizard ended prematurely on your Epic Games, so what you can do is first thing, just head over to your this PC option or your file explorer and simply locate the folders inside your local disk C. So when you're inside a local disk C, all you gotta do is just come over to this first program files x86 folder and simply locate the Epic Games folder. And once you're inside here, simply delete it. So make sure to delete the folder completely from over here. So once you delete the folder from program files x86 folder, simply come over to program files folder and do the same thing from over here as well. So as you can see, I've already deleted the Epic Games and I can't locate it from over here. So make sure to delete it from over here as well if you locate it. So once you do all of that, all you gotta do is just restart your PC or laptop just like this, and that should fix your issue by simply reinstalling your Epic Games launcher with Wizard as well. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.